Welcome back to Miss Letter's Calculation Station where things add up. This is Chapter 9 Quiz Review Part 2. Now, if you were with us before, you know that we had actually didn't finish the front side on number 6. So number 6, last year, Carlos had a taxable income of $48,000, paid 20% in tax. So we are going to do the $48,000 times 20% tax, and we're going to compare the $48,000 with a $4,000 contribution to our IRA and see how much we are saving in our tax contribution. So we've got 48,000 times 20%, which is 9,600 in taxes, versus 44,000 times 20%, and that's 8,800. Now, they want to know how it's going to be reduced, so it's the difference between those two, and that's an $800 reduction. All right, let's go ahead and flip it over. And we have, what's the number of Social Security credits workers need to earn over his or her working lifetime? And that would be 40. You can get 4 a year maximum. Jimmy's 65, plans to retire. He averages $4,000 per month. And we went 90% of the first $856. And then we've got 32% of the earnings, which is $4,000, minus $856. So let's go ahead and calculate those. So we have 90% of the first $856, and then 32% of the earnings minus the first $856. So we are getting $770.40. Oops. Yes. And $1,006.08. You add those two together, and he's getting $1,776.48. Those are full benefits. He did early with retirement, so it's going to be reduced 30%. The complement would be 70%. So if they are going to take 30% off, that means that you will still get 70%. So I multiply that by 0.70, and he gets $1,243.54. Make sure that you are rounding this to the nearest penny. Number 9, in 2018, we have the Social Security and the Medicare rate. FICA taxes, remember, FICA taxes is Social Security. Oops, he only made $45,000. Social Security and Medicare. So FICA is going to be Social Security at 6.2%, plus your Medicare at 1.45%. He did not get the max, so that $123,000 doesn't mean anything. I'm going to put the whole thing in the calculator just like I see it. 45,000 times 0.062 plus 45,000 times 0.0145. And we are looking at 3,442.50, so $3,442.50 in FICA taxes. Number 10, we have the maximum tax. How much did Brian pay in Social Security tax? And then we're looking for an overpayment. So the maximum tax is 6.2% up to $123,600. And he had 2 jobs, so he's going to pay 6.2% of his $75,400 and his $70,800. So let's see if he even overpaid. So it does look like he overpaid. So the maximum anyone pays is $7,663.20. He paid $9,064.40. So the difference would be, difference means subtract, that he overpaid $1,401 and some change. $1,401.20. Number 11, Malachi's Social Security, full Social Security benefits is $1,670. If he started collecting at the age of 66, it's reduced by 6.7. I'm going to look up what the complement is of 6.7. If not, I'm just going to take 100% and subtract it and get the 93.3%. So remember, if you pay, if you get something on sale, you pay the complement, 0.933. So his reduced benefits, he'll now get $1,558.11. Edgar worked part-time, earning $15,000, divided by 1090. And we're looking at 13.76. But remember, the maximum credits you can earn every year is 4. One last thing, if you watch the part 1, there was an error. And if you flip it over on number 2, the error was I put 3.5%, 3.5%, and it was actually 3.25%. Now I'm not going to redo it, so all I'm going to do is just change the question. So I apologize for any of you that can read better than me. And it should have said 0.0325, 0.0325, and I didn't see it. So I apologize for that error. Once again, thank you for joining me on the Calculation Station. Don't forget to like and subscribe.